Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel on this beautiful day. Today, the sun is shining, and we already talked to you guys, or some of you, on our Discord channel, and I stated that I saw something interesting on the charts, and that's what I'm going to show you right away. So. We're gonna zoom out, right? During these times, day trading and hourly or 4 hourly trading is very hard. It's very choppy, and that's not what we're doing right now. But we're trying to DCA or dollar cost average every time we get the opportunity to buy a dip, right? So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So no financial advice, of course, but this is what I'm doing right now. And that's what I've been telling you on the Discord as well. And right now I'm going to show you where that comes from, right? So I've been showing you this level in previous videos before. This is the previous 2017 all-time high. And you can see right here that we wicked out of it, and then we got into a bear market, right? It's bottomed out, and then I think we all saw this movement, right? But you can see here we struggled to get through this, so this is very significant. And here we are being held up by that level exactly, right? So this is why when I say I buy every time I have a chance to buy under 20K, this is exactly the reason why I'm doing so, right? So, but does this mean it doesn't get any lower? I don't think so, but I think several indicators that we showed in the past, which is, for instance, the RSI at bottoming out, are indicating that this is as low it will get. But I saw something in the charts which is very interesting, and you can see right here, this is the 2017 high, but this is on the monthly time frame, right? So you can see there's kind of a big wick right here, and the candle closed around 13.7-ish. And that's what I was looking at, because the month closed right now, so I'd like to look at the monthly candle and see that we had a red month of August, right? We had a wick right here, but then it was a 23% loss in this month, right? It went up after the close, and then it went down, of course. So that's quite interesting, of course. It was a red month, nothing to say about it. But let's go back to this level. If you can see these wicks right here, so the candle closed in December of 2017, closed on 13.7 on this exchange, right? It could be a couple of $100 different depending on what type of exchange you're using. And then it opened on January, and it wicked up as well, and then it got rejected again, right? So what I saw was this line is very significant, and then I just put my cursor right here, and then it draws a dotted line, and you can see that it has confluence on this level as well, October 1st of 2020. You can see right here it closed, and it closed right there, and then it opened the November candle, and it went up from there, but it retested it as well, because you can see there's a little wick right here, candle wick. So like Archie said, do I think 12.5K is anything that is possible? I don't use Elliott wave theory, so I use technical analysis. Not that Elliott wave isn't a technical analysis thing, but I try to not predict, and just try to see what's in the chart, and historic data will tell me my indicators, right? So it doesn't mean anything's wrong or right or whatever. That's just what I'm doing right now. So I've just put in this line right here, which you can see it acted as resistance here and here as well. And here it started out, and that's pretty significant, right? So you can see that it has several touch points, and that's a significant level on the monthly time frame, right? So if I've just added this line, and what do I believe then? If the price drops below the 19.8 or 19 point, what is this? 19.2, yeah, 19.2k. Then if we don't hold that level, right, then I think it is very much possible that we can look for this line again. So I'm buying at 20k. If it goes back to 13, yeah, then I have bought a little higher than I could have bought, but that doesn't mean I cannot place a buy order right here, right? So if we're going down, then I think we'll probably look for this level as well. So that's the interesting thing I saw in the chart. So in these bear markets, like you can see, a bear market is just a longer period of time where it's sideways movement, right? So it's yeah, it's looked like sideways, but it's still a 363% sideways range, right? So that's quite significant. And that's why I think buying at 20 is not a bad thing at all, because 3x from here is, and we're back at the below the all-time high. So that's also not a thing that is out of the charts, right? So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for. So if you if you are like me and you draw lines, you like to draw lines, trends, and see trends, then yeah, this is one I would add to my lines, and I just did right now live. And yeah, you can set up a buy order here, right? So yeah, if it fills, it fills. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? I still have the other buy orders open at 19.2 and at 18.4, but that is based on this bear flag scenario. And yeah, this is what we're looking at. And at the hourly rate, in the hourly or 4 hourly, we could see 18.2 coming out of that. So I've increased my buying order to 18.4. So that's basically where I have buy orders set up, and I'm gonna just set another buy order up and place it right here. Even if it's 50 euros, 100 euros, $100, I don't know. We'll just see how much disposable income we have, and try to buy cheap Bitcoin, right? So average price is going down, and when the price go up, you can take profits earlier, right? So you don't have to wait to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x your money. You just take some of it out along the way. That's what we forgot to do, I guess, during this talk, because it was quite exceptional that we had a higher high than the previous high, and then we fell down. Hasn't been happened. Normally it's a blow off top, right? So a peak, bum, going down. So that's the interesting thing I saw in the charts. Yeah, you can do what you can do with this information what you want. Of course, like I said, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research. But this is a very interesting level I could see unfolding in the charts, and still buying below 20k when I have the chance to. But I'm still having my orders open at 19.2. If we fail to hold that level, I'll show you this. If we fail to hold this 19.2 level, right, which has significance here, we've talked about this already, then I can very much see the target of the 18.4 getting reached easily, and then the 13 maybe like this, and then yeah, that's where I believe all investors will have buy orders set up on the 13, because yeah, then I really expect a bounce off of that. I think 13 would be the worst case scenario and the draw line in the sand where I think it could be the bottom. But share me your thoughts, what you think about what if it's going lower. Please share with us why in the comments, and while you're at it, please leave a like for the algorithm so more people can see this analysis, and tell me what they think about it as well. So just before we go, the dollar index is also looking very strong. The dollar looking strong, but interest rates are getting hiked, and I think that's gonna send us into recession. But yeah, like we said already, if the dollar goes right, then the Bitcoin goes left. So let me show you this line right here. So this is a line that we're looking at right now, and yeah, as long as this is the dollar is going great, then Bitcoin will not be doing that great. Let's look at the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is going down as well, which had a big crash right here, and it's going down right now, but it is at a significant level again right here. Let me change into the daily. Yeah, you can see the significance here, right? Let me take the brush here, 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 and here, and yeah, and here as well. So yeah, this is interesting. So S&P 500 stocks are going lower, and yeah, we'll probably see what's going on there. Yeah, thanks so much for your attention. Hope you like what you saw, and yeah, share me your thoughts, please, because I don't have claim to have any know-how on how the markets are going. I just use my technical analysis skills to show you what I can see and what I feel in the market, right? So thanks so much for today. I wish you a very pleasant day, and hope to talk to you soon again. Bye.